Hello everyone, my name is Javier Martinez, and for my media report, I'm going to be talking about Antarctica and the recent climate changes it's been facing, and what I discovered through the research of this media report is that the sea ice level in Antarctica has reached a low recorded level once more, and because of this, scientists are now quoting this as the beginning of the end. And to be more specific, what they're referring to is that this is the beginning of a much bigger problem facing Antarctica, as climate change can cause the ice to melt even further. And it was found out that there was a dramatic drop for the second time in just 2 years. And some scientists believe that climate change is really starting to affect this region. And according to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, the sea ice around Antarctica has reached its lowest level this year in 2023 in February 13th, which came out to a measurement of 737,000 square miles, which is less than the previous record set of 741,000 square miles, which was set in February 25th of last year, 2022. And although the sea ice has already reached its lowest point in this year in 2023, scientists are claiming that it could shrink even further, as the southern hemisphere's summer weather is just a few weeks away, and it can really affect the region even more. And well, climate change is the number one reason behind all this. And a statistic that was found out also was that ever since satellites started monitoring Antarctica and the way it's been growing and decreasing and stuff, it was found out that just about 2 years ago was when we started seeing a decline of 2 million kilometers, which was actually funny because in 2014, scientists claimed that Antarctica was immune to global warming because it had, at that year in 2014, it reached a record high of a 7.776 million square miles increase. However, this was quickly proven wrong, as in 2016, scientists started noticing a decrease in the sea ice more than an increase. And at first, what they were claiming is that Antarctica decline, sea ice decline, was due to all the other animals and other creatures in the environment. However, after 2 consecutive record low levels of sea ice, some experts believe that the climate crisis of around the whole world, mainly global warming, is what's affecting this overall region. And here's a data proving that there's been a decrease in the sea ice level. And here is another one too, claiming the same thing. This is a data from 1979 to this year in 2023. And you can see how much the sea ice level has dropped, and it's still, scientists are still claiming that it can continue to drop. One of the main causes for all of this is that scientists are saying that the ocean currents, the wind patterns, and heat from the ocean itself are what are causing this sea ice's level to drop. As in certain parts of Antarctica, air temperature has been around 1.5 degrees Celsius higher than the long-term average. And the strong winds also caused by global warming are creating a hole in the ozone layer, which can also lead to the decrease in the sea ice level. What this can cause overall is that if the sea ice continues to decrease, then many of the wildlife, such as the algae and microorganisms that many of Antarctica's animals who habitat that ecosystem rely on, could be totally affected. There would be no more food for penguins or for any other creature that lives there. And it was found out that one of the fastest warming regions in the southern hemisphere is the Antarctic Peninsula. And if this continues too, we're going to see a rise in the sea level too, which can affect us humans too. And this is why I believe this is something that should be discussed in our anthropology class, because it can solely affect us human beings in the rise of the sea level. And I feel like by presenting this to you guys, I feel like you guys will have a better understanding and can make a change for this problem. Thank you.